VBCG here, Victorian Brick Cleaning Group. I'm going to give you a quick rundown on Hendo from Hendo's Bricklaying and Brickwashing Setup machine setup. So essentially I'm going to break it down for you real easy. The first part, let's say, is the frame. Stainless steel frame, over 30 litre tank of fuel, over 70 litre of water, therefore you cannot run out of fuel or water on the job. Inlet here, your standard things. So your battery, of course, and other bits and pieces. Let's break it down. Here we've got a 22 horsepower Miller's Fall engine. Everyone says Honda, Briggs & Stratton, Kohler. They're all comparable at some point. Then from the 22 horsepower engine, we got the gearbox. That breaks that down into the 22 litre per minute, 5,100 PSI adjustable Comet pump, which is a great pump. Here we got gravity fed water with dual inlets going into the pump. Therefore, you'll get maximum water flow. They're both 1 inch. And a great thing about this machine here is that we've got the K7 unloader here. So why an unloader is so important is because when the machine is pumping all the pressure out, what makes the K series unloader special is that it's a flow sensitive unloader. With that, when you press the gun, it will release the pressure that is built up in the machine at a flow sensitive rate, therefore not giving you any kickbacks and pressure on your hands and no jolting on the machine. They are double the price, but they do a hell of a better job. And then from there, goes straight into the hose. Hose reel attached up here at the top on a mountable trolley. Can't go wrong with this setup.
Portable, of course.
Portable, flowing into a Gurney Wop soft touch gun with all the correct fittings to match, which is what you want. Do you have a delay too quickly? So this is what you want. There's no point in having a flow sensitive unloader and then not finishing it off with the correct fittings. The heavy duty gun with the Gurney Watt fitting here at the end, they are expensive, but you can't go wrong with them. They slide in better than any other product on the market. There you go, okay. Like that. Can't go wrong.
Yeah.
We'll talk about it a bit more later. Thanks, guys.
There's a setup.